What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best GorillaPod. The technological advancement in this field is rapid and advanced. One of the latest innovations in this field seems to be GorillaPods. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 GorillaPod. Number 1. Joby JB01507 GorillaPod. This pod allows you to twist, turn, wrap and stand the legs of the pod in every way possible. Super flexibility, allowing you to wrap, grip and twist the legs. You can mount items on it up to 3 kilograms. Plus, it has bubble level installed, ensuring preciseness in your shots. This makes sure you don't hold back from capturing anything you want. Extreme preciseness with angles, making sure you capture the impossible. An awesome pod with incredible flexibility. Number 2. Joby JB01503 GorillaPod. If you can relate so far, then we have the perfect tripod for you. Say hello to Joby JB01503, that can save you from a lot of trouble. Made from the best chosen plastic, ensuring durability. You can mount items such as speakers, cameras, or flashes up to 1 kilogram. In fact, over 100 different plastics were tested for the perfect candidate to make these pods. Overall, an extremely light tripod with enhanced stability. This unique anatomy leads to extra grip than that of other brands. Number 3. Joby 325 GorillaPod. If Joby JB01503 impressed you a little bit, and you are convinced to buy that one, hold on to your horses because it gets better. Massively lightweight makes carrying it around a walk in the park. You can mount accessories on it up to 325 grams. Comes with rubberized ring and foot grips so that you can get extra steadiness while shooting. Additionally, get rubberized ring in the feet of the legs. This pod is made up of stainless steel made-up balls. Number 4. Joby Action GorillaPod.
Are you all my personal dreams?
The kind of camera you operate with also plays a large role in the pod you buy.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Your GoPro will work more smoothly with this model. This model was made explicitly for vlogging. It also has a strong ball head with it. The ball head makes sure your action camera stays firm and stable. Besides, you can attach your iPhone or smartphones as well. Mount devices with combined weight up to 1 kilogram. Number 5. Joby Grip-Tight Gorilla Pod.
Are you all my personal dreams?
The finest thing about this neat tripod is the subtle versatility it offers. This device is compatible with almost all brands of tablets. Get a pretty strong hold and tight grip on the tablet you attach. It allows room for rotation almost instantaneously. You can change from vertically to horizontally in the blink of an eye. Very fast, dependable, and adjustable for every application in your tablet. Allows you to adjust for any type of activity almost instantaneously. Ideal for making your life easier at home or the office.